and gentlemen, Miley Cyrus.
Oh, a cool little vehicle. Don't worry, chickens. I'm coming to save you. Oh man, look at this. It's a hole right there. What's up, girl?
Wow, it's on this too. There's no plug back here, is it?
No,
That's what I was wondering.
I know. You know, maybe that.
I have my phone.
Yo, I had to come to the mailbox. Look at this. Look at this nonsense. We cannot walk through there. It's impossible. We had to walk from home all the way around and come here. Good grief. We gotta go back. There's no getting out of here. Not in the car. We did stock up on water and fruits and veggies and things of that nature. But other than that, if we didn't have toilet paper or essentials, we'd be done. Anybody in this situation, man, I hope y'all got loved ones, for real. I can come and dig you out, because ain't no digging out of this right here. I mean, there's no digging. It's possible. It'll take me a couple days. I need a plow to come through here. You could probably call the city. You know that?
They probably wouldn't do it because this is our property, like the driveway.
Yeah.
Not their responsibility.
Yeah, you're not doing this with a shovel. They came and they bust these streets up, though. They ain't nothing we could do. Let's get back to the house. Brother hungry. Just follow my feet back, I guess. Oh, I see you were stepping in my feet, cheetah.
Yeah, sure.
I was peeping the snowdrifts, all designs. Look at that. Some cool looking stuff. I'm gonna have some photography up on my page soon from this little venture. But that's cool, man. You can see there were deer tracks and raccoon tracks and things.
Yeah.
Probably turkey tracks too, because our chickens aren't coming down here.
Oh, so deep.
Yeah, it's deep. Look at this. Seriously, like, look at that. Goodbye. Well, the worst part is over. So the worst part is over. Because we halfway through it. I didn't think it was going to be this bad. And the thing about it is, it probably wouldn't have been as bad. But down here in Virginia, we get these serious windstorms. And it blew all the snow on our property. Oh, man. See how far we came from. Why am I taking you on this ride with me? Because I believe in shared punishment. For real. All the kids getting whooped. I don't care who broke it. Good morning, kitty cat. And good morning, everyone. It's about 7 o'clock on January 29th. And I've got a job to do. Hey, Shadow. I didn't bring their food with me. Come on, ladies. There we go. Throw yourselves on the floor. Let me see if there's any eggs. Hey, you still up there, huh? And I know you can't really see it, but there's about 6 eggs in there. There's 5 in that one, and there's 1 in that one. I'll come back and get those when I have a bucket. What? Clever girls. Jackpot! Oh yeah. Shh. No, don't attack me. I just come for your eggs. Ah! What are you doing? Can I just steal? What are you doing? Everything's after me. Thanks, girls. And away I go. And don't forget, please subscribe or just hit the like button. It helps us out a lot. And as always, peace from the Garden of Feodora. And away I go.
What?
Turn around, buddy. What's this say?
Earthworm jam.
Earthworm what?
Jam. Jim?
Jim.
Huh? What's the...
And not only that. There's another one. You want to watch these with me, buddy?
Yeah. I want to know what they are.
Yeah, you'll find out soon.